Guys, my name is Miguel L. Rosario, and we are here with my boy Jonathan. We are installing his Unitronic intake right here. Here it is. His first mod. You already know we are out here. So tell him a little something about this car, John. How you like it?
I love it.
All right, that's enough.
It's enough for me.
So what are we doing first, John?
So we have to remove the stock airbox using a T25 Torx bit.
All right, guys. So you still got to take these screws out of the front part. I just want to be in the video. That's why I'm letting him record this shit. All right, look, there's a clip here. Come here, come closer, John. See this? You got to pull this up, and then it pops this out. Okay, let's see what is next. Two of these now on the side that I just witnessed with my own bare eyes. There's one. I don't know if these comes with new screws, but
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't, right? So we'll just keep these, obviously. Let's see, anything else? Oh, this pops up. Let's take this out. Oh shit, that's for your radiator. Alright, this goes up. This slides.
Looks like it slides back.
So come here, John. Come a little closer.
Let's see.
So you see these, or this, whatever. This was under here, so you gotta push it down and then pull back. That's how you take that part out. It's actually a really fucking easy intake to do. So, all right, we just got to the hard part. All right, guys. So to get these, there's three little like prong things that hold on to the rubber piece. You gotta like pull up. I feel like I'm pulling the whole fucking car up. Damn, son. Hold up.
And that's it.
That's an 8, right? Let's give this man's a fucking 7. Try the 7. And the 7 is too fucking small. Wait, is that even a 7?
No, it's not a fucking 7.
Well, what size is
it's
that?
It's a 1/4 inch.
Oh shit! No wonder that shit don't fit. It's gonna be a bitch. Pull it out. Yeah.
Nah, I gotta go more.
Okay. That's it. Pipe just comes right out. Let's see the new one in size, John. Let's see if there's actually any difference. Not the this side. Let me see the hole is. It's kind of like this
Other way.
intake pipe in. You gotta have to push some fucking force because that silicone is thick.
It's already on.
Alright, never mind. It's already on, guys. What you do is take these little radiator things off, the holes that goes under, because they give you a relocation one that hides it under the intake. This is probably gonna leak a little fluid, maybe. There you go.
Alright.
You got it?
Yeah, let me put this end on here.
Yeah. It's only radiator fluid. Cap the other one. Close that one.
No, I'm just gonna keep it up.
Okay. So, this relocates. Now we took that one off. Let me hold it. You good?
Yeah, that's good.
Now we're gonna take the other one off on top of the radiator thing. So you're gonna want to keep these two hoses above the engine because then it's gonna leak radiator everywhere. Jonathan here's having a little issue.
There we go.
So we got it out. As soon as you take this one off, John, we're gonna put the new one in. See, it's aimed under the intake, so it basically hides it. I'm gonna take this one out. So I'm gonna take this one out. Oh, that's just probably hot as fuck. Push it in, John.
There we go. Just
So
take
the
that.
clamp on the left did not fit. We were able to get the one on the right to go on. So yeah, just to keep that in mind before you do this. These clamps would not fit. I mean, you can try it, but we tried, shit ain't work. So you're gonna get these grommet things and push them in through here to then be able to bring it over here and put it into the 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. So the trick to get these grommets in, you spray
A little lube
on your finger, no homo, and then you put it on the grommet thing and then you push it in. There's 1, then 2, and then the 3rd one is here. All right, guys. So for this to go in, you're gonna actually have to pop this back out. So don't put it in. And then this goes on, and then yeah, So it comes with these 2 bolts. That's what I should like a washer too. Gotta tighten it. And that's your finished product. Boom.
A little more, baby, harder.